Welcome to Relevant Happenings. In this video, on the occasion of Independence Day, let's look at some laws and rights that must be known to every Indian, as these rights not only protect people's interests but also ease their daily life. So do watch the video till the end and understand the rights and utilize them. Now let's begin. Every year on 15th August, Independence Day is celebrated in India with full enthusiasm. Indian Constitution has provided several rights to the people to protect their fundamental rights, but unfortunately most people are not aware of these rights. The Indian public has many rights to protect their life, asset and live dignified life. Some rights are also provided in the different provisions of Indian Constitution and subsequent laws, which we will look one by one further. First law is regarding women's arrest. It's quite common yet infamous. The section 46 in Criminal Procedure Code states that no women can be arrested before 6 am and after 6 pm. But when some exceptional circumstance exists, the women police officer shall make a written report and obtain the prior permission of the judicial magistrate of the first class, within whose local jurisdiction the offence is committed, then the arrest can be made. Also, during arrest, only women police constable can arrest the women. Male constables does not have the right to arrest women. Police have to ensure these things are followed. Hence, many times we see women get privilege of not being arrested instantly due to unavailability of women personnel to arrest her at the crime spot. Now, the next law is under Indian Penal Code, section 166, which states that a police officer cannot refuse to lodge an FIR, and if he or she does so, they could be jailed for up to 6 months to 1 year. What is this FIR means? FIR stands for First Information Report. A First Information Report, as the name suggests, is the first step towards any criminal proceedings that leads to the trial and subsequent punishment of a criminal. It is a document that places on record the victim's side of the story. Police authorities base their investigation based on the filed FIR. When the case comes to the court, it is also one of the most important pieces of evidence on which the entire structure of prosecution is built upon. Now the next law is interesting. It comes under the Indian Sarais Act 1887. It says that any 5-star hotel cannot prohibit you from drinking potable water and using its washrooms. Sarai means any building used for the shelter and accommodation of travelers, that include hotels and guest houses. But there are few incidents under this act where people used it to harass hotel owners, as indicated by recent news reports. For instance, a hotel in Delhi was harassed because it did not offer free drinking water to the passers-by as required under the Sarais Act. Further, people visiting Gateway of India wanted to use the toilets of the nearby Taj 5-star hotel. When the hotel raised objections, a public interest litigation was filed and the hotel finally had to build a public toilet outside. The laws under Sarai Act does not match the environment of 21st century lifestyle and a comprehensive law is required. What's your say on this? Do share in the comment section. Now moving to the next one, which comes under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, and in this act, as per section 129, wearing a helmet is a must for a two-wheeler rider. And another section in the same Motor Vehicle Act, which is in section 128, which sets limit for maximum of 2 riders on one single bike. Apart from this, under this act, law also says that if the traffic police officer snatches the key from the car or motorcycle of the driver, it is illegal, and after such incident, you have the full right to file a legal proceedings against the officer. Also under Automotive Amendment Bill 2016, if you are fined for a crime like riding without a helmet or any other reason, then you will not be fined for the same reason on the same day for that same crime. And the next law is as per the Citizens Charter and Indian Oil Corporation website. There are very few people who know that if their gas cylinder blasts during the cooking of food, then the gas agency is liable to pay Rs 50 lakhs to the victim as compensation. To claim this compensation, consumers need to lodge an FIR to the nearest police station and submit it to the concerned gas agency. So, these were few laws and rights that must be known to every Indian citizen to ease their lives. But we must not forget that freedom comes with responsibilities, and with these rights we have certain duties too. And every individual's prime duty is to keep the nation's perspective as the topmost priority, then comes anything else. Hence, Constitution has provided us with tons of rights to ease our lives, and together with those there are duties too, which are equally important as well. If you have watched the video till the end, it means that you are a seeker and gatherer of knowledge and a responsible person as well. So thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos and latest current affairs, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do press the like button and share with your friends and family members. Thank you.